and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
So whilst the battery's charging, we're just getting used to assembling this. So the handlebars just come up like this, and can you see here, quickly close. Off we come here, and then you can adjust where you want this to be. There's a rear reflector, I'm assuming that's go on the back somewhere, which we'll unscrew in a moment. And then if you just come here and we can have a look when we're on here, we've got a horn, we've got lights on and off, because at the front here, you can see down here, we've got front lights built in, rear lights built in, and we've got a little LCD display here, which will fire up once the battery's on. The other really nice thing with this, if you look at these markings on the inside here, so if you're sharing the bike, I don't know, if I'm sharing it with Lee, my cameraman, we can choose, or you can make a note of whatever height you want, oopsie daisy, the handlebars to be. And I think it's dead dinky. That's really good, isn't it? Okay, so we're gonna have to wait a bit of time now for the battery to charge. Okay, so while we're waiting for the battery to charge, let's just gonna run through a few bits and bobs on the spec on this. Again, if you want much more detail and how to order and how to buy one of these, do check out the link below, and you're going to be very surprised at the price of this. So it's the DYU A5. It's got the 14-inch wheels. It's a fully foldable electric bike. It's got about 25-30 kilometers distance. We've got a 7.5 milliamp battery on it. You've got 2 keys with the remote control. You've got the shock absorbers on the forks, that then you can see just here. On the rear seat, you've got the suspension on it as well. What else have we got here now? You've got a couple of hours, say, to actually charge up that battery. It's suited for somebody from about 5'2", so you can be quite a small person, up to about 6'4", and the load capacity is about 150 kilos, about 23 stone, something like that. You've got the pedal assist on this. You've got the controller here to turn that on, and when we look at this in more details later, there's 3 power settings that you can do to say full pedal assist, 15.5 miles an hour. It's got the front disc at the front here, I don't know if you can see here, and we've got the rear disc as well. You've got the little kickstand. This is a little, it looks like a little seat, isn't it? But you could sort of bungee cord some items onto here and have it as a little carry place, or as I say, you could have a little kid if you're on private property and wanted to give somebody a seater. The battery is easy to remove, and you can adjust the height of the handlebars, everything with the handlebars. It's got the horn, and we just did have a quick go of folding it up, and it was really simple. In fact, what I might actually do, I might get Lee, who's looking after the camera in a minute, just to demonstrate the folding of the bike, because he's just done it, and he'll explain that it's literally, he's had one go and he mastered this within minutes, and it folds up so small it'll go into the back of any car, or virtually any car. And when we go for a little test ride in a minute, as well as going on the roads, I think what we're going to do, we're going to be a little bit more adventurous, and I think we're going to go to a seaside location, and we're going to go and give this a ride somewhere very pretty. This for a bit of a test spin. We're on a little retail park, private property here at the moment. Obviously safety first. He's got a high visibility coat on and his cycle helmet on, and I think we're ready to give it a proper first go, Lee. Yeah. All looking forward to it. Yeah. Let's go. Give it a spin. Ready for a spin? Pedal assist on that, was that okay? And we're just in eco mode as well, yeah?
Yeah.
And the LCD is giving you some things on what's going on?
Yeah.
Okay, let's give it another go.